Helo, shwmai a chroeso nôl I Ddydd Mercher Cymraeg. Hello and welcome back to Welsh Wednesdays. Yes, this week is another special, and I am going to talk to you about the mother of all things Welsh, the Holy Grail in the Welsh cultural calendar. I am, of course, talking about yr Eisteddfod GENEDLAETHOL, the National Eisteddfod. It's one whole week of music, art, drama, competitions, and the best celebrations of Welsh language and culture. Fun fact, the National Eisteddfod, yr Eisteddfod Genedlaethol, is one of the oldest festivals in the world. It's held in different locations every year, and this year it's all happening in Wrexham from the 2nd of August to the 9th of August. Hooked yet? Well, let me tell you what you can expect from your day at the National Eisteddfod. You can explore y maes, the field, packed with stalls, pavilions, live shows, and so much going on. Plus, there's Maes B, a whole area just for young people and Welsh music fans. And you don't want to miss the traditional gorsedd ceremonies. Gorsedd means throne. Every year, some lucky winner wins y goron, the crown, and y gader, the throne. It's totally unique and seriously powerful. Even the opening ceremony has a sword in it. So whether you're a local or whether you're just curious, the National Eisteddfod is the perfect way to experience the heart of Wales. Calon Gymru. So mark your calendar, Wrexham, August 2nd to the 9th. Be there. A oes heddwch?